Hi everyone, this is Ajay from Ajax Design. Firstly, stay home, stay safe, and let's fight with Corona together. Before I move to the Greek cosmology, I thought I should present you with as per Hindu cosmology, how the universe has created. So I request you to not only view but please subscribe my channel and video. Now I'll start with Hindu cosmology universe. In the ancient time, there was everywhere the darkness, and none of the object or a substance was visible. So the Lord Sun decided to create the substances through his body. So the Lord Sun created the water. Once the water was created, the Lord Sun decided to put his semen power into the water. And once his semen power got mixed with the water, the golden egg got created. Through the middle of the golden egg, the god Brahma or the nature creator born. Lord Brahma first do the penance for the long time. After his penance got completed, he broke the egg into the two pieces or divide the egg into two parts. From the upper part, Lord Brahma created the sky, and from the lower one, the Brahma created the land and a sea, and in between, he created a heaven. After that, Lord Brahma created the different directions, and after directions, he created the constellations. After constellation, the Lord Brahma created the planets. And on the planet Earth, the Brahma created animals, humans, and bacteria. And this is the way the universe got created. Thanks, comment, like, and subscribe to my video, more subscription and comment will really help me to give a good information. Thank you. Please subscribe.